Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a major update in the ongoing legal saga of Lori Vallow. Now, if you've been following this case, you know it's one of the most shocking true crime stories we've seen in recent years. Lori Vallow, dubbed the Doomsday Cult Mom by the media, has been at the center of disturbing allegations involving the deaths of her children, Tylee Ryan and JJ Vallow, and other tragic events that shook multiple states, from Idaho to Arizona. While Lori was convicted in Idaho for the murders of her children, there are still pending charges in Arizona, including conspiracy to commit murder. But before this case can move forward, the court had to determine whether Lori Vallow is competent to stand trial. And honestly, y'all, this competency issue has been a key focus for years. Lori's behavior, both in and out of court, has raised a lot of questions about her mental state. But here's the deal. A competency hearing isn't about her guilt or innocence. It's about whether she understands what's happening in the courtroom and can work with her attorneys. So, in this video, we'll break down everything that happened in Lori's most recent hearing, including the arguments over redacted competency reports, what the mental health experts concluded, and why the court ultimately found Lori competent to stand trial. The heart of this hearing was Lori Vallow's competency. Dr. Webster submitted his report, but the state raised concerns about the extensive redactions. Here's where it gets tricky. Redactions are allowed under Rule 11.4, capital A, subsection 2. But the line can get blurry. If you redact too much, the other side can't fully evaluate the findings. If you don't redact enough, you risk exposing sensitive or prejudicial information that could come back at trial. The judge reviewed the redactions and allowed some, like references to Lori's arrest and extradition, to remain. However, the court ordered others to be lifted, ensuring the state has access to all relevant information. I think the judge made the right call here. At the end of the day, transparency is key, especially in competency hearings. If Lori Vallow is to face trial, both sides need to have a clear understanding of her mental state. After some clarification, both the state and the defense stipulated to the findings. Lori Vallow is competent. This means she understands the proceedings and can assist in her defense. Now, I know this may come as a surprise to some of y'all. Given the complexity of this case and Lori Vallow's behavior in the past, there have been a lot of questions about her mental state. But here's the reality. Competency isn't about mental illness itself. It's about whether someone can function in a courtroom setting. And based on two separate reports, the court found Lori Vallow competent. So while the public may have its doubts, legally, this decision seems pretty solid. The court has now set a status conference before Judge Bresky for December 6th at 8:30 a.m. This is the next step as the case moves forward. From here, we'll likely see discussions on the next phase of Lori Vallow's case, but this competency ruling means one thing. The legal system is ready to proceed. Y'all, this was a big update in Lori Vallow's legal saga. Let me know what you think in the comments. Do you agree with the court's ruling on her competency? And what do you think this means for the future of her trial? Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. I'm very curious to hear your responses. Let me know in the comments below. I look forward to bringing you more in the near future. Keep a lookout for my next case. Thank you to my producer Suzuki for all her hard work gathering case info. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Bye, y'all.